All right, so I got what's listed as a wall mount power strip. I got this more for putting into a little end, like an end table next to my recliner that I just want to replace in there. So it can handle a good bit of power. I'm not going to be doing anything like that. So a whole 12 amp, um, indoor use only. This is from HEZI, was the seller. And one thing that was attractive to me is it is ETL listed. So I like having independent laboratory testing of electrical products. So ETL is one of those. So just like having that little extra confidence that, okay, comes with a couple small mounting screws, very, very, very small. So I'm hoping I measured well enough that this will fit into the desk or well, end table kind of thing that I use as a little desk next to my recliner. This should hopefully fit right in the cutout there and be able to screw that into the existing holes in there. Um, got this to be able to have a reasonable high power. I think it's 30-watt USB-C. It's got two USB-A ports here for charging, and obviously um, as well, and can handle that 12 amps that I won't be doing anything like that. It's supposed to be a 6-foot cord, and I like the flat cords and uh, angled kind of plug here, so it's not the plug coming straight out, taking up all that space. So space saving um, plug type thing there. So like all those things, and I will really like this very much if it fits in my um, end table properly. So I will find out about that and post photos or the short video of that if I can get that done. If not, I will just test out that it actually works, but hopefully more to come on that.